Hi guys, it's Miss Sai. This is your math lesson for January 25th. For math today, you're going to need your math journal, your board, marker, eraser, and a pencil. So go ahead and gather those things or press pause and then grab those things. Have them next to you, and then you can come back and hit play when you're ready. Let's take a look at this domino. On your slate, I want you to stop and jot. What is the total number of dots? So take this side of the domino plus this side of the domino, write a number model, an addition problem on your slate, and then solve. Eight plus 9 equals. Two ways that you could do this, or a couple ways. You could count the dots, or you could move the 9 up to 10 and do 8 plus 10 to get 18. But then I have to take 1 away to get back to 9. So my answer is 17. Hopefully you got 17. All right, now that our brain is in the math mode, we did an addition problem. Let's take a look at our job for today. Today, you are going to use a part and total diagram to help solve number stories. Yesterday, we learned about how we could use change to more. And with change to more, we were adding, and we talked about fish that were eating other fish. And we used the change to more to help us just as a tool in math, just like our number grid is a tool, just like our ruler is a tool. So these are just other tools. So today we're going to talk about part, total. Okay, why is it called part, total? It's not complicated. Part, total. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take one part, then we're going to add it to the other part, and we're going to write the total. It's so easy. This is like the easiest math lesson you're going to have. The hardest part is going to be making sure that you add correctly to get the total, the correct total. So let me do one for you. Here I have my domino. It's the exact same one that we did for stop and jot. We had the addition problem of 8 plus 9. Okay, I'm counting dots, so that's my unit. Now, this diagram is a great way to show what we did in our stop and jot for the math message. We had 8 dots here. On the other side of the domino, we had 9. And when we added them together, we got 17. Just like in our math message. 8 plus 9 equals 17. So all we did was take our addition problem, our number sentence. We took the first part, which was the 8 dots, and put it in the bottom part. We took the second part and put it in the next part. And then we took our sum, our answer, 17, bada bing, bada boom, done. Now, you know it just can't be that easy. It can't be that easy. This unit in math, we have been talking about money. So we're going to use part, total to help us solve this number story. So it says, a hot dog costs 45 cents. Man, that's a bargain. Hot dog costs 45 cents and orange costs 25 cents. What is the total cost? Okay. I'm just going to tell you that the answer is 70 because I'm not so much worried about the answer as I am about a few steps before we get there. I'm going to circle my numbers. I'm going to cubes this out. I'm going to underline. Total cost. Box that math word. Total is an addition word, so I am adding these together. My favorite part of this whole thing is writing the unit because I can write a cent sign. Okay, my first part is how much my hot dog is. Well, if I look back in my problem to that circled number, 45 cents. My second part, I know Wyatt already knows it. Wyatt's hand would be so high up in the air right now, he'd probably be jumping out of his star student desk. It's 25 cents. That's my next part. Now, we all know Miss Sai is the queen of mistakes. So, let's wait a second. Let's double check our work because you know I like to make mistakes. Well, I don't like to, they just happen. That's why they're mistakes. All right, so I'm going to start at the bigger number 45 and I'm going to count up 25. I'm going to break 25 into 2 10s and a cinco and a 5. Okay, so I'm going to do 10, 20. I think I got the right answer. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Solomon, did I get it right? Yeah, I did. Okay. Let's try another one. I'm going to have you do a little more of it this time. Now, on your slate, you can easily make a part total box. You go like this. Kind of leave a little room at the top for the total. You just draw a line straight across. Then you go to the middle of that line, but you don't start at the top. Don't do it. Don't do it. You got to start right here. And you go down. Oh my gosh. Miss Sai might be the smartest teacher in the whole world. Just kidding. So here on your slate, you have made a part total. You don't have to write all of part. You can write P, and T. Part total. You don't have to write all the words because in your math book and on your test, I'm going to write it for you. They're going to write it for you. Work smarter, not harder. Sam, can we do it? Yes, we can. All right, let's look at this one. All right, here we go. Peanut butter and jelly costs 35 cents. Oh, look at the cute peanut butter and jelly. They're best friends. And a milk is 25 cents. What is the total cost? Okay. Don't yell at the answer. Okay? Let's cubes it out. We got to circle the numbers. 35 and milk is milk is not a number. I'm not going to. Nope. 35 and 25. What's the total cost? All right, on your slate, fill in the first part and the second part. Just do that. Just do that. I know right now Betsy just wants me to call on her. If we were in school, Betsy's hand would be up and she'd say, Miss I, peanut butter and jelly is the first part and it's 35. And I'd say 35 what? 35 chickens? And Betsy would say, no, 35 cents. So, better write my unit right now. And then I'd call on Gia and I'd say, Gia, okay, Betsy told us that the first part is 35 cents because peanut butter and jelly is 35 cents. Gia, how much is milk? And Gia would say, 25 cents. And I would say, Gia, I can't hear you. Say it louder. So Gia would say, 25 cents. Part total. Okay, do we have the first part? Yep, Betsy told us. Do we have the second part? Yep, Gia whispered it to us. Do we have the total? No! That's your job. That is your job. Here's what I need you to do. I need you to hit the pause button. But before you do that, listen to the directions. When I'm done, you can hit the pause button. So you're going to add together 35 and 25. I'm sure Jocelyn already knows it, but just add it together. Use the number grid if you need it. And then I want you to write a number model. Don't forget, a number model is an addition or a subtraction problem. We want the total cost. So we are going to add. Kingston knew it. Kingston knew we were going to do an addition number model. So you need to write 35 plus 25 equals whatever you figured out. That's what you need to write. And then hit the play button and come back. All right, I stole Abraham's answer. 35 plus 25 equals something. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. When I grow up, I'm going to be smart like Abraham. We're going to do one more. Okay, let's look at this one. Water is 25 cents and an apple is 15 cents. What is the total cost? Cubes it out. Circle the numbers. Oh yeah. Underline the question. Boom shakalaka. I know that total is an addition word. I want you guys to be like Michael. I want you to do as much of this as you can. You're going to hit the pause button. You're going to see how much of this you can do. Don't cheat. Don't keep the video playing. See how much of this you can do. And then hit the play button and see if we get the same answer. Okay. Part 1, 25. Part 2, 15. Total. Don't know yet. Unit. Cents. Number model. 25 plus 15 equals something. I'm going to use my number grid. 25. I'm going to break 15 into a 10 and a 5, just like I learned from Wyatt. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh! 40 cents. I actually stole my answer from Aster because she beat me to it. 40 cents. All right. I told you that this was going to be a very easy math lesson. I knew it. I knew that it was because I always get, you know the secret, the smartest kids. And that's you. All right. Here is what I need you to do. Okay? I need you to get out your book, your math journal, and then I need you to do page 123. Haha, 123. Okay? I need you to tell me by using this chart. Oh my gosh, look at that text feature. Holy moly. This is crazy. Look at that text feature. Oh my gosh, that's a heading. It tells us what we're going to read about. We're reading about Lucy's snack bar menu. I can't believe we just learned about that. That's crazy. I did not plan that, I promise. You need to tell me how much is lemonade and a banana. Lemonade, banana. Part, total, number model, answer. Then you need to tell me how much a hot dog and an apple is. Apple, hot dog. Part, total, number model, answer. Hardest part, hardest thing you might do all day. Hamburger. I love hamburgers. And an orange. Orange, hamburger. Part, total. Oh, no, sorry. I messed up. You have to draw your own part, total diagram over here. Just like we did yesterday with the change to more. Okay? Tell me part, total. Hamburger, orange, total. Number model, which is an addition problem, and your answer. Then when you're done, you need to do math boxes 5.9 and IXL Math G20. You also have to do HomeLink. You have math homework. So you're going to do math HomeLink. 5.9. When you're done with that, you are done with e-learning for the day. You can go play in the snow as long as your parents say it's okay. You can go take a nap. You can play video games. You can eat lunch. Whatever you want to do. Remember, sometimes e-learning's hard. It's okay if it's hard. We are going to figure it out when we get back to school. So if you have any questions, write them down or keep them in your brain. As long as you try hard, I will help you. Okay? Just try your best. Sam, can we do it? Yes, we can. All right, favorite kids. If you need help, I'm going to be on Google Meet. Look at the time. Go back to Canvas and look at the schedule for today. Okay, if you need help, I'm here. All right? Show me what you know on part total. Do your best work. I know you can do it. Okay? You can do it.